Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the S24 Ultra for multi-screen. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sign into the same Samsung account, and update the phone. Next, open Settings and go straight to Advanced Features or link to Windows depending on your target device. Once done, enable multi-window or multi-screen and grant any permission prompts for screencasting and notifications. This starts the connection process. Make sure to keep both screens unlocked and nearby so pairing occurs without delay. You now connect and configure how screens interact. From the cast or link list, pick the target device and accept the incoming connection on that device. This creates the session. Then choose whether to mirror the S24 Ultra, extend the desktop, or open specific apps side by side, and adjust resolution or scale if options appear. Once configured, use the Edge panel or the multi-window tray to drag apps into split zones, resizing with gestures so each app fits the workflow you need. You're finishing setup and optimizing for daily use. Lock or save your preferred window layout and app pairs so you can reopen the same multi-screen view quickly. Then make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the connection and confirm all permissions remain allowed for casting and background activity. If you experience lag or stuttering, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, restart the casting session, or reauthorize screen permissions. These steps usually resolve hiccups. Finally, reboot both devices if problems persist. This clears transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.